Hi guys, we've just finished day 5 from Chalhuanca to Cusco. Fantastic ride today, beautiful roads. I say that every video, but it was beautiful roads again. Super windy, 310 kilometres of up and down mountainsides, all tarmac. We had a bit of rain today for about half of the ride. The first half was wet. It was a shame because we missed some good windy roads. We still hit them, we still rode on the roads, but we obviously a bit slipperier, less grip, meant it was a bit of a slower ride. We stopped at this quirky cafe on the side of a mountain. We stop there every year, and the lady there's a unique, eccentric lady. She boils your water from a fire. She lights up, and for some reason, and I still can't explain it, because I don't speak the language well, but she has hundreds of penises hanging around the cafe. Yeah.
And we still have to do a Chalhuanca. So very nice, interesting city. Yeah. Hey, it's Robert. For the orders.
Get a photo.
Guillaume.
Hey, Donkey Kong.
She said sperm.
Short for Donkey Kong.
She said that you can sit there, not there. With 80 people, she said.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Entendemos.
Coffee time, eh?
Eh?
Coffee time.
Yeah.
Buenos días.
Buenos dias.
Pasen, por favor. Ucuchama.
Very beautiful.
El te recuerdo.
We just stopped for coffee on the side of the road at a quirky place. The lady there has a fascination with penises, and pretty much everything in the cafe's a giant dick. But anyway, coffee was good. As you can see, it's a bit of a crappy day for weather. Because we're in the mountains, anything can happen really. So with weather, and today's one of those days where it's heavy fog. The road's a little bit damp, slight misty rain, but lots of fog. And then we kicked on from there. The sun came out, and it was just a sensational ride. Great lunch, and then finished up arriving here in Cusco. Cusco is a pretty unique place, has tons of tourists here. It's a real sort of mecca for people to come when they come to Peru. Cusco is only around 100 kilometres from Machu Picchu, and Cusco has a massive amount of Inca ruins and a very big amount of history in terms of the Inca people. So we've got a planned rest day tomorrow. It allows everyone to get off the bikes and have a refresh, recharge the batteries, and also have a nice look around this city. The city's got lots of different things, heaps of restaurants and cafes and things like that. So we just want to give everyone a day off. It allows us to get the bikes all prepped and chains adjusted and just go over everything, and allows all the customers to have a nice rest. So tomorrow we've got a walking tour planned for those that want to do that, and we'll take them around, show them all the Inca history, take them to the markets, could probably go to a couple of Irish bars for a beer at some point and just enjoy the day. So the ride's been incredible. We've still got heaps more to go. We're only on day 5, and this is a 13-day tour, so plenty to see, plenty of awesome riding to go. But at this stage we're going to go to a nice dinner tonight. We're going to a steakhouse which is famous in Cusco for the tomahawk steaks. I'm catching up with a friend of mine from England that's over here as well, so it'll be a good night and ready for the rest day tomorrow. Thanks, guys.